Are you looking for ways to save money while managing your household? In this video, we'll share some valuable saving tips for homemakers that will help you make the most of your budget. One of the best ways to save money is by meal planning. By creating a weekly menu and shopping list, you can avoid unnecessary purchases and reduce food waste. Another tip is to buy groceries in bulk. Purchasing items in larger quantities can often save you money in the long run. Just make sure to check the expiration dates and storage requirements. When it comes to household cleaning products, consider making your own. Homemade cleaners are not only cost-effective but also eco-friendly. You can easily create natural cleaning solutions using common ingredients like vinegar and baking soda. Energy bills can be a significant expense. To save on electricity, make it a habit to turn off lights and unplug electronics when not in use. You can also consider switching to energy-efficient appliances and using natural lighting whenever possible. Reducing water consumption is another way to save money. Fix any leaks promptly, install water-saving devices, and be mindful of your water usage. Small changes can make a big difference in your monthly bills. When it comes to clothing, consider shopping secondhand or organizing clothing swaps with friends and neighbors. This way, you can update your wardrobe without breaking the bank. Lastly, take advantage of loyalty programs and coupons when shopping for household items. Sign up for rewards programs and keep an eye out for discounts to maximize your savings.